kids, and welcome back to Codename Bootleg, where we take a look at Windows bootlegs. They don't necessarily have to be shitty, but this one certainly is. Oh boy. This one was created by Gaber Samir. If you don't know who he is, he's basically just a creator of Windows bootlegs that are often shitty. And that's why I love him, because the shitty bootlegs make for great content to gawk and laugh at. So, yeah, the last two we did, Windows Vienna and Aqua. They were bootlegs, but they weren't terrible. They were actually pretty good. But I want to return to the roots of this series. Back to the kind of the style of episode 1, where we take a look at Genius XP 2015. So, it's a Windows 7 mod, basically. And it's called Windows 7 Sigma Academy. I have no idea what that means. But we're gonna see what it's all about. Alright, let's go down to the bottom of the toilet. Alright, we're gonna call this, of course, Windows 7 Sigma Academy. We're just gonna select Windows 7 64-bit. 2048 megabytes, 32 gigabytes. Seriously, so like I tested the ISO, and as soon as I saw the setup screen at the first portion of setup, and I saw Gaber Samir's name, I instantly knew I had to do an episode on it. So let's go to settings. Let's pump up the graphical memory so we get more of that shit. And let's put in our beautiful ISO. There's my Aqua ISO. And let's start it up and experience the hellhole that is Windows 7 Sigma Academy. Yes, I know you 5-year-olds are laughing at that name. I seriously don't know whether it's going to be about Sigma males or not. I really hope it's not, because, yeah. Alright. Let's start it up. Got like a construction background going on here. Setup is starting. Boy, this is, oh, okay, so we have, silver and gold blocks in, like, some sort of pattern in the background. The window is completely transparent, or at least 99% transparent. There's this nuke icon here, I don't know what that does, and there's this SA logo here. Actually, I think that means Sigma Academy. Language to install English United States. I'm not a very good reader of scribbles. Okay, so we have Academy Sigma. Okay, it's called Sigma. Okay, it's called Windows 7 Sigma Academy, but this is Windows 7 Academy Sigma. Don't know what that means. We went with 64-bit for the architecture, so let's go with 64-bit. Windows 7 Ultimate Service Pack 1, I do accept. So it's based on Windows 7 Ultimate Service Pack 1. 32 gigabytes, is that enough? It's on Windows 7 Academy Sigma. I seriously don't know what that's about. Yellow check marks. Very nice. Yeah, this text seriously, like, blends in. It's hard to see. Man, and I'm so glad I'm back to doing shitty bootlegs. Anyways, we'll just let this continue expanding. Cue time lapse. restart to continue. That restart now button is so hard to see. Alright. Let's see if we get a new boot screen. And see if it's gonna suck. Nope, we still got the default boot screen. That's good. I don't want to burn my eyes. Instead of updating registry settings. Instead of starting services, and we're back to the gold, silver cubes. Oh, we actually got a new cursor. This is interesting. It's like a gold, black cursor. This mod really has an emphasis on gold, doesn't it? Anyways, I'll just let this continue. Okay, setup will continue after restarting your computer. Is this the OOBE portion of setup, or are we still on completing installation? Huh? We get to take a look at that beautiful boot screen again. Oh God. So we have the Windows 8 logo with the Windows 7 Academy Sigma. Okay, so now we're back to this Windows 7 thing. It's behind this window. We can drag it. Okay, so there's a yellow umbrella mixed in with black umbrellas. I don't know what that means. But, like, the Academy Sigma thing was, like, warped, so... I don't know what that was about. Anyways, Windows 7 Academy Sigma. I don't know why, but, the thing said, like, the site where I got this from, which is Crusty Windows, pretty good site, by the way. I was able to get it from there, and I probably will use it in the future. It said Sigma Academy, so I don't know what this is about. It also said Windows 7 Academy in the setup window. Like, I don't get what that's about. So is it like Windows 7 Sigma Academy, Windows 7 Academy Sigma, or is it just Windows 7 Academy? I don't get it. Anyways, type your username. Okay. Type your Windows product key. Thankfully, we just skipped that. Windows is finalizing your settings. It didn't ask for anything else, which is interesting. Preparing your desktop. Oh boy, this is gonna be great. This is gonna be so amazing. Okay, just prepare your eyes. Okay. Oh. What? Okay, so a command window launched. Installation app. This program installed correctly. What did I change? Restart later. Oh. Okay, so I see. Is it changing the boot screen? Okay, so there's a progress bar here. Let's just explore this while it just... Oh. So I think it's actually applying a boot screen. Because I just saw bootres.dll and winload.exe/b. So... Did it change the boot screen? Or... That's the user account control sound. Yes, why not? What could go wrong? Nothing? Okay. So we have this black Windows 7 logo here. That's interesting. On like a yellow background. Okay. There's sure a lot of yellow here. Like, look at these tiny ass icons. Oh my god. For Internet Explorer. What is that? Oh, Windows Explorer. Thought that was like a piece of toast. And Windows Media Player. Let's see what the start menu looks like. Turns into a 7 when you hover over it. Let's see what it looks like. Huh. Nothing changed. Okay. Okay, so TOWF, we just this. Computer. Okay, let's just eject this. Okay. And the network, here's a recycle bin icon. Control panel. Social media. What is this? This is probably like, okay. Okay, let's just try and install Chrome on this thing. So see if we can go to the YouTube site and see what's it's all about. Internet Explorer 8. No. Use Express settings. Finish. Okay. What do you want to do next? Install a better browser. Do we even have internet on here? Okay, yeah, we do. Alright, let's search Chrome download. Listen, I'm sorry Firefox stands, but I'm not switching, okay? My experience with Firefox was terrible. And besides, I don't really care about privacy. For Windows 8.1, 8764-bit. Hold on, I thought it was like, okay. Save it. Save it right on the desktop. Why does it play that sound when you complete the download? That's funny. What does the error message sound like? There is none. Let's run this. Run it. Okay. Why? You restricting this? Also, what is this? Full glass? It just appeared in my... What is this? Okay. Does it just modify Windows Explorer? I guess so. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I don't get this. Actually, it might be because we're like... Okay, you know what? Let's just try and install MyPal, because... Yeah. Oh, when you look at that, he set the homepage as his own website. Great way to out Internet Explorer. Anyways, Google. Okay, you know what? MyPal. I know I've been using Chrome for Windows 7, but I need MyPal. Actually, hold on. It can't load it, can it? Yeah. Okay, so, luckily, I can try and install MyPal on this thing. Not there. Here we go. MyPal. Let's go here. And now we have MyPal 64. See if Gaber Samir will allow anything but Internet Explorer as a browser on this thing. You may not have current user. And it just doesn't launch. Cool. Great stuff. Going great. Yeah. Cool. Okay, is our password to the rooms here? Long failure, your account restriction. Okay, I have another idea. Okay, let's try and boot into safe mode. I'm curious.
2, 2, 5, 1.
That's a long-winded shutdown sound. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna mash F8. Okay, here we are. Here's the advanced boot screen. We're gonna go to safe mode with networking. Let's see if he affected the safe mode too. Okay. So it's still been Gaber Samir-ified. Oh, there it is. Anyways, yeah, it's been Sigma-ified. I can. Okay. Alright. Let's run this. I have no idea if this will help solve the problem, but we're gonna try it anyway, just for the lulz. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, see, I knew it would do it. Alright. Welcome to the MyPal setup wizard. We're gonna go with standard MyPal. We're gonna set MyPal as the default web browser. There we go. Let's see if we can launch it. Yo. You're about to close 2 tabs. You want to continue? Yeah, I do. So let's restart, and we're just gonna boot into normal mode. Oh. Oh, okay. So it's a laptop displaying the regular 7 boot animation with the like Windows 7 beta-esque. It's like the Windows 7 beta progress bar, except it's not. It's more blue. Okay, so let's try and launch MyPal. So yeah, we can try browse the net from here. So we can just search that. Hell yeah. Stay signed out. Let's just try to search for the unfunniest meme possible. Sigma Corporation? What? Okay, it's a Japanese company. Cool. Yeah, sure. And there's this, like, the actual Sigma symbol for, like, the Greek alphabet. Yeah, see, this, it's a bunch of cringe. I just thought I would search that just from the name. I seriously do not want to become a Sigma male, okay? Anyways, let's just try and search this. You can see the Internet Explorer icons turned into MyPal icons. Okay, let's go to YouTube and see what he has on his channel, because it's gonna be great, okay? You can do this. I believe in you. It's still up. Alright, let's go to videos. Let's see what his newest one is. Oh, this is slow. Okay, I think there's only 2 videos here. And this was from like 6 years ago, and this one's from 5. Let's watch this 5-minute. Let's watch this video from 5 years ago. And I think I'll just mute this, because I don't want to get covered stricken. Actually,
الشباب معاكم جابر سمير من أكاديمية جابر سمير. النهارده جاي لكم في درس طلب مني بعض الأشخاص اللي هو إزاي إلغاء سيريال ويندوز 7 أو ويندوز 8.1 أو ويندوز 10. طبعا انتوا زي ما انتم شايفين شكل الموقع كده،
See what
شكل
the
الموقع كله
comments
اتغير
are.
بالكامل. ان شاء الله هننزل لكم شغل جديد بجديد.
Okay,
لان
there's
انا
actually
كنت
an
الفتره
English message
الاخيره
here.
غايب عنكم كتير ومش بنزل
Thank you
شغل،
for
وانا عارف
watching.
في ناس ياما طلبت مني الشغل وما كنتش بقدر البي طلبهم لاني كنت مش
Hello, sir.
بنزل
A lot
لهم.
of people.
وان شاء
Okay,
الله
let me just
هحاول.
pause this real quick. Hello, sir. A lot of people reviewed your Windows bootleg. I think you should give them some attention. Your meme outside YouTube will now, and I'm adding to that. And the rest of them are Arabic, so I can't read them. Okay. Sure. Okay, let's go to his site. Yeah, this is about to be great. This is gonna be like made in like Microsoft Word. I can't read any of this. I seriously can't read any of this. LifeNet. Oh yeah. So Mr. Gaber Samir.blogspot.com. Okay, it's a blogger thing. Twitter. Okay, actually, my pal can't load Twitter. Profile. Facebook. It's a Facebook. I don't know why they just didn't call it Facebook. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. So, that is Windows 7 Sigma Academy. Oh, this is a wonderful experience. But of course, we can't forget about so no games here? Really? Damn. So, since I wanted to return to the roots of the series, I'm gonna try and destroy this thing with memes. Yes, it has been a while since we've touched memes, and I don't even know if this thing will even be able to run it, but we're gonna see anyway. But I do want to save this for later, so let me just do that real quick. Alright, I couldn't just do memes. I also wanted to do the amoeba virus as well, which basically just duplicates itself multiple times, and it's just it makes the computer run awfully slow. Alright. So I did export it to an OVA to make a backup of it, so I can save it for later. Not that I would want to, but oh well. Let's do this. Yes. Okay. Yes. The creator using this malware still executed. Alright, we're about to Alright, let's execute. Your computer has been fucked by the mem Trojan. And thus begins a revolution. So nothing has happened so far. So we're just gonna wait it out. Oh, it opened a notepad window. I thought it would open an Internet Explorer window. Certainly. Nothing. Oh. there we go. Batch virus download. Ah. Okay, now I can see my mouse is spazzing out a little. So how to get money. Sell feet pics. Alright. So we're running kind of slow, so let's execute amoeba. Whoa. Here we go. So it's now oh, this is great. It's trying to load. It's trying to load a. If this is on a real computer, it would probably like explode. Oh, we're getting the effects, boys. It's just going really slow. Let's see if we can open Notepad. Can't click the start menu. Really? Still using this computer. Yep, here's the pop-ups. Normally it would like leave behind a trail. Yeah. This trail is not going so well. The taskbar went blank. I don't know if that's supposed to happen with MEMS or not. So now it's MEMS, but very slow. Okay, now we're getting the text reversed. Let's see if it'll trigger into full effect. Like, I think it's supposed to like zoom out or something. Like, see if that happens. Okay, now it's really running slow. Oh, there it is, the payload in full effect. I can't hear the sounds. Oh, this is great. And now it's just a jumbled mess of everything. Let's see if we can still shut down. not for this thing. Whoa. Screen went dark. Oh yeah. It's just running smooth, man. So now it's turning kind of unusable. I really want to see the finale where it just and just blue screens. Will we get that with a hard shutdown? I don't think so, but it doesn't hurt to try. It's basically dead now, so let's put it out of its misery. Okay, there was the 9 cat, but I can't hear any sound. And that, my friends, is Windows 7 Sigma Academy. It has been trashed by the MEMS Trojan and the Amoeba virus. So everything works out, right? Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.